Good morning breakfast. Morning breakfast namin. So, coffee break kami dito sa pool. Ayun, usok pa eh. Coffee break. Hello, thank you for today's video. Let's beat the hot summer. Spending summertime with my family. So, ayan, nandito kami ng aking family. Kami ay nagbabanding-banding. So, ayan, kasama yung aking mga binata. So, this is the location and this is the pool. Eto, si Eton, yung aking bunso anak. Busy. Swim na swim, goaling. Ano na pa, dude? Sinusolo mo na may pool. Yabang mag-swim. So, ito naman yung view niya sa gabi. Summer is gabi. Ngayong Hollywood ng aking family.
Thank you for watching Summer 2026.